I have started recording. So, hello, sir. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm really good. Just now I got you only. I'm really happy. So, what do you do there right now?
Okay, so, sir, before going to go ahead, I want you to introduce yourself so that my viewer will get to know about you.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. First of all, thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Sri. I am from Telangana. Currently, I am staying in Hyderabad. So, if you talk about my qualification, I have completed my BSc Bachelor of Science from Usman University. If you talk about my family, so we have the four members, the nuclear family. My elder son is studying 10th standard. My younger daughter is studying eighth class. My wife also as a teacher. This is one of the beautiful family. My kids also studying very well. So now we have to just we have to talk about the my strength. I am the very I am the very positive person. Maybe I am the very curiosity person. I have good communication skills also. Maybe if you talk about me, I have been working since 2017 in pharma industry. I have 7 years experience to year only. This is the one of the pharma industry. Maybe if you talk about the my hobbies, so I enjoy the reading books, I'm listening music, watching the movies, and practicing yoga and meditation. Just when I was watching the movie, the English related movies I have to watching. Maybe I want to improve my communication skills, so that I am spending some time to there only. Then when I was listening to the podcast videos, that is also build my communication skills. Then when I was to whenever I practice yoga and meditation, that will be every I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning. I am going to the walk very near to one of the big park is there. One round it will become 4 kilometers. So this is the one of the boost. That is the one of the good experience to me when I have to make the I am practice to the yoga and meditation. Everyone need to the how to build our communication skills. You have to build our body also. Maybe you have to do the meditation is the very important. I have to do regularly 15 minutes. I have to do that only. That is the samadhi sthiti, the anapana sati dhanam. I have to do that only. When I was stressed at that time, I can do the meditation also. At that time, really happy with me. This is one of the good
Okay,
experience. Let's I want to discuss about the Sri English Journey. Recently, I opened the Sri English Journey. That is the who wants to speak English.
okay,
The that is my main aim. Speak English fluently, confidently. That is the main aspect. This is all about me.
okay. That's great to know about you, sir. Okay, and you are doing a very good thing, and you are doing lots of things. So definitely your introduction is very remarkable. So now I'm going to introduce myself. Well, my
Okay,
name is Amdi Zahir. I am from Bihar, but I have been living in Kuwait for a long time.
okay,
Including my hobby, I love to learning English, connecting new people, and traveling.
okay.
Moreover, I run YouTube channel where I upload English conversation videos. I believe that English is the foundation for success. Learning English is the foundation of success. That's why I put 100% effort into learning English, and every morning I get up with a new desire to improve myself. Yeah, that's all about
Yes.
me, sir. So, sir, as you
Yeah.
said that you are from Telangana, am I right? And you are working
e-
in Hyderabad.
Exactly. Exactly. I am from Telangana. Currently, I'm living in Hyderabad. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe do you ask
Mhm.
anyone question? I can give that also.
Okay, so I have observed that the way you are speaking, you have fluency. You are speaking very clearly English. So may I know how long have you been learning English?
Okay, thank you for asking me to that. Maybe I'm also like you. I'm last 6 months I'm using this English conversation. Before I couldn't speak English. I'm the passionate about the English language. I want to speak how I am speaking native language. Just I want to speak like English language. Who are speaking in front of English, and the lot of goosebumps will become. I want to speak like them only. That is the my main aspect. I want to try myself only. I want to depending on anyone. Maybe my versus my only. I want to self improvement person. I want to little bit know on the grammatical point also I know very well, so that I have a lot of confidence. I want to speak. I want to do something. Whatever, how much I have the knowledge, I want to share with others. That is the main thing. I open my stay English journey. So I want to speak fluently and confidently. Main thing. I said, last 6 months consistently I'm practicing to our English communication. So this is all about our how I am improvement. You have to see only that is enough. So I would like to know, so how is the weather in Kuwait? My friend also living it there only. So I have to see your videos. I have to
Mhm.
doves and kabuters. It's the flying in the maybe
Okay.
that is the one of the big desire. I have to appreciate. Oh, you're also living in Kuwait.
Okay.
I have heard many times Kuwait. So they are depending on fuel. Maybe what kind of food they are taking. I don't know. I want to know from your side only.
Okay. So when did you see my video?
Yeah, last 2 days back, I have to see your each and every video. I have to searching. So lot of things also there. Just now before, also I have to check your video.
Mhm.
Some festival season also going. Lot of rocks also there. Lot of bunch of people are there. So I have to observation. Then some festival is going on. Some after that, some dogs will coming in front of you. Have to don't care about. You are not fear to. You have to face the situation also. That is going on. So I have to see many videos just now
Okay,
before
okay.
also.
So I'm going to tell you about weather. So weather is a cold, very well. Winter season is going on, and I live, in Kuwait. Kuwait in the totally desert area. This is totally, desert area. It's mean open area. I am a trainer. I am a pigeon trainer. I am a spoken trainer. I have some students, so I teach them. Okay, I am
Okay.
doing lots of things. I have lots of things. I have lots of work. Okay, but somehow I manage to find some free time. I do practice every day as well as I teach every day. I am doing lots of things, guys. Really, I am enjoying. I'm enjoying. When I train the pigeon, I laugh. I try to laugh and I enjoy with pigeon. When I call them, they come, they listen to me, they come to me. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So really really I'm lots of enjoying. Okay. Enjoying.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm doing lots of things, guys. And I am so happy. I'm so happy because I have good job and yeah. And I think I will not have to face any kind of problem related to money here because I am in Kuwait. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Do you have another question?
Nothing else. When will you come back in India?
Hmm. Okay. So recently, you can say I come to Kuwait from the India. It's been 4 months. Okay. So after 2 years, after finishing 2 years, definitely, I will go to India and I will come back India. And if I get
Okay.
time, I will try to meet you. If you
Yeah,
give chance
welcome.
to me, definitely I will meet you.
Yeah,
Give me
100%
chance
well.
to meet.
Yeah, welcome to Hyderabad. Maybe Hyderabad is the one of the big city. Maybe a lot of opportunity is available to here only. Infrastructure, maybe pharma industry, maybe IT department, hotel management, lot of maybe whatever you are working there, everything is available in our Hyderabad. Maybe you have to see in lot of things are in Hyderabad. Maybe when you are to coming to Hyderabad, you have to call to me. I have to visit to here only. So maybe I
Yes.
would like to know. I would like to know how did you develop your communication skills? How long it will be taking? So you are also speaking good. Uh, how did you develop your communication skills? I want to know that.
Actually, sir, I have been learning English for last 2 years when I was beginner. So neither I knew grammar nor speaking part. I couldn't utter a single word. So I faced many problem. After that, I learned some grammar rules because basic grammar is very very important. If you know basic structure, basic grammar, definitely you can speak English. After learning grammar, I started connecting to the people. Okay,
Yeah,
after
yeah.
that when I started speaking it, then I used to then I was then I used to mistake a lot. Okay, then I thought, oh my god, no, now I know grammar, but after knowing grammar, I'm making mistake. Okay, that's just I used to correct myself, and next thing when I make a mistake, so I'm correcting myself. It happens when you are beginner and when you try to speak. Okay, you will we will make mistake, but Don't think about your mistake, because mistakes are part of our life. If you make mistake, you will learn something. Okay. So when I started connecting with the people, after that I got idea that how to speak, how to ask question. Okay. uh, and how to convey our thought. So I got lots of things, and just because of people, I have learned lots of things, guys. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That is the one of the good way.
Yeah.
We want to speak English. You want to spend lot of time to maybe you want to prepare the grammar. So you want to know the tense. You want to know the how to use the do and does. How to use the model verbs also there. Lot of words also. WH questions also there. We have to when we are going to ask the question. We want to learn more. We want to effort. I'm also like you. I'm also a beginner. I'm also each and every day. I'm learning and practicing.
Mhm.
Ever never one day also never skip
Mhm.
even one day also who are the beginner. I want to share with you my knowledge. I want to how to improve. I want to lot of tips to him also. So recently I have to made many videos. Maybe I should to
Mhm.
one two videos also. Recently I made one habitual actions. So when will you wake up? What do you do in wake up? So what time you when do you wake up? When do you take a bath? When do you take your breakfast? When do you go to the office? When do you do your work? When do you take your lunch? When do you take your dinner? When do you watch a movie? When do you prepare for exams? When do you are watching everything? Whatever you are doing, what is the habitual actions? We have to use without V2 form. This form you have to subject, verb, and be form. When you have to use that word, is called of habitual action. Just now I want to say that word also. The sun is rise east, the sun is set west side. This is the regular going. Whatever we are using regularly, that is what habitual actions. Recently, I
Mhm.
have to upload that video also. I want
Mhm.
to improve my communication skill each and every moment. I want to focus on grammar and I want to talk to the people. I'm making many mistakes, but I don't care about. You said you that also. So I want to. I said also I want to more fluently how I'm speaking our native language, like speak in English. That is the main thing. Even my office also, a lot of people also there. They no one can speak in English. Everything they're depending on native language. So my bosses, my boss is doctor. My HOD is also there. They can speak wonder language when they are speaking. So I'm really attracted with them only. So they are speaking wonder English. I want to speak like them only. I think like that. That is the main thing. I am also. I want to build my communication skills. I want to
Okay.
improve. That is the main thing.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. If you speak, your daily routine and your past, whatever you did, if you try to speak, so definitely, and if you try to connect with the people, okay, who
Yeah,
are
yeah,
you can who are doing conversation video, again, who are English learner. If you connect, with them, definitely, you can learn, more and more. And
yeah, yeah.
because practice, only practice make you, practice only will make you perfect. Nobody can
Exactly.
make you. Okay, the way you practice every single day, definitely one day you'll realize that, oh my god, my English is so good.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. Practice main perfect. Maybe you want to talk the many people. We want to talk the many people. We want to conversation sections. I want to connect my stay English judge in the channel. In that I did not upload my. I did not had my phone my mail ID also. Just now when next week I am going to update my mail ID also. I want to talk many people. I want to learn many things also. I'm
Hmm.
really thank you for this wonderful moment. So unexpectedly, I got you. You both are in this particular moment. You both are meeting to you. So who are watching this video, please subscribe. When you have to subscribe my channel, this is the one of the good. You have to give the lot of boost. That you have to lot of positive things because of this is the. Maybe you want to improve your communication skills. What kind of techniques you want to? We will share. We will shoot many videos also. This guy is from Bihar from his is working from the
uh,
I don't know I
you
forgot
getting
that.
call?
So I getting call so that one I'm
Okay, okay,
disconnected that.
okay, no problem, no
Okay,
problem. Okay, so
okay.
tell me one thing. Tell me one thing that you are in Hyderabad. So I think one thing is famous in Hyderabad: chicken biryani. Have you eaten chicken biryani or not?
Yeah, thank you for that also. Maybe I want to say one word. I am, my father is a army retired, so he's also not eat he's vegetarian. So my father is teach me you should not eat the vegetarian. But unexpectedly default I didn't eat non-veg. So I never eat and drink kind of chicken, mutton. I never eat in my home. In one and bottom I couldn't eat. So my wife also eat, my daughter also eating. I am not eating. I don't know that much of taste
My
of
God,
chicken
okay,
biryani.
okay. So
That is a
you are
famous.
vegetarian, I mean to say, right?
Yeah. I'm the pure vegetarian. At my home, my wife also eating that. I couldn't eat that. Maybe Hyderabad the biryani is paradise biryani is the most famous. Not only paradise biryani, anywhere you have to choose. Lot of hotels also there. Hyderabad is the famous for the biryani, famous for the IT sector, famous for the industrial. Maybe lot of infrastructure going on develop.
Hmm.
This is
Okay, so
all
one
about
thing I have
Agwed.
question. I have question. I think this video uh, has recorded 18 minutes. I have one question for you. Okay, last question I'm
Okay.
going to ask you that when you were beginner, so what kind of difficulty did you face while learning English?
Okay. What is the main problem you are facing? Sometimes my boss also invited to the board meeting. They are discussing English language. So whatever going on, which study we are going to, what kind of slides, maybe some different kind of works also we are doing in my office also. The both are discussing. At that time, I didn't get understand. Maybe when I want to talk with them only, our native language, I want to talk with them only. So maybe I am also completed my graduation. I am also completed my graduation also. My everything I have completed in native language. But we want to talk with English, but we don't have that kind of courage. We don't have that kind of knowledge also. Maybe how to develop our communication skills. We want to spend some time. We want to learn. Maybe we want to focus at that area. Maybe little bit we have to improve our communication skills. Each and moments, very teeny words also I am learning. You know, you have to lot of books also there. You have to see recently now I am reading the Atomic Habit also. This kind
Okay,
of Swami, yeah. Swami, the Sudha Murthy books I am so reading. This is
okay,
everything.
okay.
Whatever I am doing, I want to improve my communication skills. Lot of consequences I face. So, however, I
Mhm.
want to talk English. So that is the main aspect to here only.
Okay, okay. So you are consistency, you speak, every day with the people, right? And you are
Yeah,
doing
exactly.
practice every day. This is how you are learning English. Am I right?
Yeah, exactly for
Okay.
that.
So
Maybe.
do you have any plan? Do you have any plan? What
Maybe.
is yeah, tell
What do
me.
you say? I didn't get you that. Once you have to
I mean
repeat.
to say, do you have any future plan? Do you have any future plan? Would you like to become a teacher, trainer, anything?
No. I don't want to become a teacher, but who are the beginner? So who want to learn English? They don't know the maybe they are the private employee, they are the government employee, they maybe they're the businessman. They don't know anything. Maybe I will teach with them only. That is a very free of cost. Maybe then at the time also simultaneously I improve my knowledge. So I want to teach with them. They will learn. So I am also how I am suffering at that time also. I don't know anything at that time. I am also I want to learn that kind of curiosity, that kind of enthusiasm we have. So we have to who want to learn English, who want to that kind of curiosity, they have that kind of propensity. Uh, I want to teach with them. I want to guide with how to develop our communication skills. I don't want to become anything. Wherever I'm working, I'm really with happy my job. So I'm the passionate about the English language.
Okay.
Who love the English language? I want to guide with him who are the better than me. I can learn from them only. This is the main aspect to here.
Mhm. Okay, that's great, sir. Really, your English is so good. Okay, try to go ahead, try to learn something. Okay, so nice to meet you, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you. Okay, thank you so much. You give me a wonderful opportunity.